In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Flodesk. Whether you're looking to capture new leads, share a special offer, or highlight your latest event, a landing page on Flodesk is a fantastic way to get started, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into Flodesk. Head over to flodesk.com, where you'll find the sign in option in the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll be ready to dive into the creative process. Once you're logged in, your starting point will be to create a new form. Look for the plus sign, which is labeled as plus new form. Clicking this will present you with various choices. Opt for the full page option. Choosing full page essentially means you're creating a landing page, which will serve as your digital front door. The next step is to pick a template. Flodesk offers a variety of beautifully designed templates to suit different styles and needs. Browse through the available options and choose one that aligns with your personal style or brand identity. Remember, this is the first thing people will see, so make sure it represents you well. Now comes the fun part, customization. This is where you can really make the page your own. You can change the text, adjust the images, and tweak the colors to ensure everything matches the vibe you're going for. If you're collecting information, like names and emails, you can customize these fields to fit your needs. Essentially, make sure it looks and feels like you, whether that's sleek and professional, fun and quirky, or somewhere in between. Once your design is in place and reflects your vision, it's time to connect your landing page. Link it to a workflow or an email sequence, especially if your goal is to distribute a freebie or send out welcome emails. This connection ensures that once someone signs up through your landing page, they'll automatically enter into a sequence of emails you may have pre-written. This step is crucial for keeping engagement high and delivering on promises swiftly. Finally, it's time to publish and share your creation with the world. Hit the publish button and Flodesk will provide you with a shareable link. You can use this link in a variety of places such as your social media channels, email signature, or even your website bio to maximize its reach. Sharing the link widely helps you gain more visibility and ultimately more signups. And there you have it, a beautiful functional Flodesk landing page ready to go live. By following these steps, you're well on your way to engaging with your audience like never before. Keep experimenting and updating your page as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy creating.